Are you planning to bring your family or friends to Germany, whether it is for a short visit or for studies or for job search? Often the letter of commitment, Verpflichtungserklärung, is a key to process the visa. In this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process to get that from the Ausländerbehörde. What are the documents needed, what is the income criteria, how to fill the application form, and what to expect from the Ausländerbehörde. Let's get started. Firstly, what is Verpflichtungserklärung, the letter of commitment? It is a formal letter that assures the German authorities that a person who is living in Germany is going to take care of full financial responsibility of a foreign visitor into Germany. This gives an assurance to the German authorities that the foreign visitor will not be suffering here in Germany without any funds. Even though the applicant has enough funds, this kind of invite letter actually increases the chances of getting the visa without any rejection. And not to forget, if the visitor overstays or incurs any public expenses in Germany, then the inviting person is completely responsible for that. He or she is also legally liable for the government's actions. Secondly, who can apply for this? You can apply for this if you are living in Germany and you have a valid residence permit or you hold German citizenship. Most importantly, you need to show sufficient income to support the visitor. It also depends based on the living costs and the number of dependents you already have in Germany. Thirdly, how to apply for this? The step-by-step process. First step, download and fill the application form. Usually this application is available from the Ausländerbehörde or Bürgeramt website. Fill in the required fields like your personal details, employment status, income, and the visitor's name, passport number, and reason for the visit. If you can't find the form online, you can also get it from the Ausländerbehörde office directly. I recently applied and got it from my Ausländerbehörde, so I have filled in the application form and I will attach it in the description for your reference. If you are applying for a fresh one, then you can take inspiration from this filled in application form and you can fill yours. Second step, book an appointment with Ausländerbehörde. The application process or the submission process could be different from each Ausländerbehörde. For example, in my case, I didn't need to visit the Ausländerbehörde to submit my application. Instead, what I did is, I filled in the application form, I attached all the required documents in an email and I sent it to the officer who is usually handling my cases. They responded back to me stating, "We received your documents and we are processing your request." Once they processed everything, they confirmed me stating that now your Verpflichtungserklärung is ready for pickup, and they said that I can come and pick it up whenever the next possible appointment is available. So at this point in time, I can either go to the portal and book an appointment for Verpflichtungserklärung Abholung. This is the appointment name, at least in my Ausländerbehörde's website. Or I could also ask the official to book an appointment on my behalf. So I booked an appointment online. When the appointment came, I went ahead and just picked up the Verpflichtungserklärung. I just validated whether the passport numbers are correct and the dates are correct. So this is the process for me. But I also know in some other places, you will need to first book an appointment just to submit the application form and all the documents. So that's why in the second step, I made it as like book an appointment either to submit the application form and details or to pick up the Verpflichtungserklärung already. Hope this is clear for you. So considering that you are booking an appointment only to submit your application, then comes the third step, gather all the required documents. The application form which you are going to fill already, the applicant or sponsors your passport copy, your sponsor's residence permit, and your house registration confirmation, and last 3 months pay slips, and passport copies of the visitors or the guests. These are the documents what I submitted, and you can also check your Ausländerbehörde website while booking the appointment. They would have given if there are any other additional documents needed. So collect all those documents and be ready for the appointment. Step 4, attend the appointment and submit all your documents and wait for the Abholung. Note that you will need to also pay a fee for this letter of commitment. In my case, I paid 24 euros, but when I researched further for different cities in Germany, the price ranges from 20 to 30 euros. So find out from your place and pay what is required. Once you paid the fees, then you will get your original letter already from the Ausländerbehörde. In most of the cases, you should get it immediately, but there could be some places wherein they will send you the letter over post to your house. because each state works little differently. Of course, the major requirements are common across Germany, but the logistics could be different from state to state. Once you get the letter of commitment, you need to send this original letter to the guests who are visiting Germany, because they need to submit this original letter at the time of the visa application. Some important points about this letter of commitment. The letter is valid for 6 months. It's required for tourist, job seeker, student visas, depending on the reason you state. This is a legal commitment, so if the guest overstays or incur some expenses, then you are liable to that. Make sure that you are truly trusting the person you are inviting. I also give a checklist of the documents in the description and also the sample application form filled one. You can check out them and hopefully it will help you. And if you have any other questions regarding this document, or if you faced any issues, please feel free to write that in the comments. If I have some answer or if I know something, I will definitely answer you. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, then please like this video and put your thoughts in the comments. You could also check out these videos wherein I discuss about visa processing for blue card and visa processing for visitor visa. I hope that would also be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in one of these videos or in my next video.